Time is precious. Let's jump in. Follow all the steps. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Display and Brightness. Later, select HDMI output. In the next step, attach the HDMI adapter to the iPad. Later, connect the HDMI cable to the adapter. Next, plug the other end into the TV. In the next step, open Settings. Now, click on Control Center. Next, choose Screen Mirroring. In the next step, power on the TV. Then choose the HDMI input source. Next, confirm the correct HDMI port. In the next step, unlock the iPad. Later, open any app or video. After that, view it on the TV. You are good to go.